Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody is safe and fine and healthy, especially. So, today I am here with another part of my makeup haul, and I have these two boxes with me. This is from Purple and this is from Forever 52. I haven't received few product yet, but if we will wait for those product also, then it will be too much delay. So rather wasting my time, I'll show you those product on my Instagram story which are left. We will start from this Forever 52 box. I'm gonna show you what's inside. Let's get into the video. So first up, I have this with me, the Kajal of Forever 52. This is Purest Kajal Waterproof Jet Black 12-hour lasting Kajal. So I'm gonna show you how it is and how much jet black it is. So this is the body of the Kajal, like every regular Kajal. I will show you. Wow. This is nice. This is Forever 52, made in Germany. Waterproof, soft texture, smudge free, dermatological tested. बहुत कुछ है इस काजल में. So here's this kajal. I quite like it. This is like you can see थोड़ा सा हो रहा है, but it's okay. कौन अपने काजल को ऐसे रगड़ेगा? So I'll use it and then I will tell you. Next product I have is this Forever 52 waterproof ink liner. This is a pen liner. You can draw liner. As you can see, I have used this liner over here and I love this product. I have used this product 2-3 times and I quite like it. It stays for longer time and this is very good. Like you can draw anything on your eyes, like wherever you want. Like it's an eyeliner, but still some of us do face painting and use kajal or liners. So I think this is a good liner, pen liner from Forever 52. Next up I have with me is these lip liners from Forever 52. This is their perfect lip liner. You must have seen me using this one, this dark brown color lip liner in my previous video. If you haven't, I'll mention the link of my video in description box. Let me show you the swatch. See. And let me tell you guys, being a makeup enthusiast, I think you just only need 2 or 3 lip liners, and you're sorted. You can really do anything with those 2-3 lip liners. See, single glide. I just like it. So I was talking about these. You have seen the swatches over here, and I would like to say that theek hai, this product is really nice. I love it, but the only drawback is this: I have to sharp this. Like I have used this and अब ये थोड़ा सा कम बाहर है, पहले काफ़ी ज़्यादा था. So I have to sharp this again and again, and I don't like to use sharpener more often. So this is the only drawback in this, but I quite like this. Next product is again from Forever 52 and again a lip product. This is how the packaging looks like. It is like a glass bottle, but it is not. It is a plastic bottle, and the name is Glimmery Lip Gloss. It is not like the regular glosses. It has some shimmer in it. I can show you if you can see. It has some shimmer sort of thing in it, which it makes good, but I think I can't use it on daily basis. So I bought this gloss just to try. That's why मैंने एक ही order किया था, and I didn't like it. क्योंकि ये वैसा नहीं निकला जैसा I was expecting. कि I can use it and top on my lips, but it will give you a shimmer sort of thing. See? And guys, I am not degrading or saying negative thing about any company. I like all the products from Forever 52, but I am just telling you my honest review that मुझे ये चीज़ ऐसे लगी but वो ऐसे आई and this sort of thing. So don't compare it to a negative review or don't tell me कि brand बहुत अच्छा है, आपने गलत क्यों बोला. मैं कुछ भी गलत नहीं बोल रही हूँ. So last product I have with me is this magnificent eyeshadow palette from Forever 52. Basically I wanted to have this one और इसकी वजह से मैंने और सब कुछ सामान मंगवाया. मुझे सिर्फ यही चाहिए था. I have been seeing many people using this one and I am in love with the packaging. पता नहीं कहाँ से उन्होंने ये दिमाग लगाया है. See, this is how it looks. Like a wooden box sort of thing, and you can open it like this. नहीं अलग हो जाएगा and it has magnet in it. You can see. I'll show you again. It has magnet, and this is how it looks. This has all shimmer colors in it. I'll show you some swatches. I'll not swatch the whole palette, but I'll swatch some shades like this one, this one is my favorite one, and this one, and this one. Okay, you can see it has rust in it, like literally shimmer. So you guys can see how much pigmented it is, and I still have all the pigments on my hand, and you can see the second swatch is exactly same. This is what I'm saying, कि it has lot of pigment. So girls, this is the product that drives me crazy. I just love this one. So if you guys want to buy something from Forever 52, do go for their eyeshadow palettes only. Look at this. Last is not a product, but they have sent me their full catalog that if ever I want to buy something else from them, then I can see in this and order. And guys, मैंने सिर्फ ये कुछ product ही use करे हैं Forever 52 के. They have a huge range of lipstick, lip crayon, brushes, foundations, और वो मुझे अभी use करने हैं. So please, मेरा judgment is not fixed. It can be changed. और आप मेरे Instagram पे देख सकते हैं. If मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ अच्छा लगेगा तो I'll update over there. So you can go to my Instagram channel and follow me.
Few moments later.
So I'm done with Forever 52 products, but I have this box from Purple.com, and now I'll show you the products from Purple. I have is this chocolate lip scrub from Good Vibes. Good Vibes is a brand जो I think सिर्फ Purple.com पे ही available है, and they have so many things like serums, like toners, mist and scrubs, lip balms. They have a huge variety of products. So if you want to buy Good Vibes, you can only buy from Purple.com. So I have this lip scrub from Good Vibes, and you must have seen me using this lip scrub in my last video. If you want to see how it works, you can head to that video, or I'll mention the link in description box below. Next up is I have this Good Vibes Mulberry Glow Toner. This comes in this bubble wrap, and I love to do this chatpat. Sorry. This is the toner. I haven't opened it yet. I'll open it later. I'm just showing you that I have bought this Good Vibes Mulberry Glow Toner, and मैंने काफ़ी सारे reviews पढ़े थे, उसके बाद ही I have ordered. This retails for 175 rupees, which is near to Biotic ka toner, and Biotic toner is bomb. I love that toner, and I'll use this one and tell you how it works. Biotic वाला बढ़िया है या ये वाला बढ़िया. Next up, I have these free products. When I was buying Good Vibes from Purple.com, So तब एक offer was going on that if you buy for this minimum amount then you will get gifts, and ये वो gifts हैं. These are banana shampoo from Good Vibes. These are no paraben and cruelty free, and बाकी सब information इस QR जो भी है ये स्कैनर के नीचे छुपा हुआ है, so I can't tell you much. वैसे I'm not gonna use these because I don't really change my shampoo really easily because I have a bad problem of hair fall. So let's see who will use it. Next I have ordered this LA Girl Pro Concealer Cream. This is a cream contour and highlight. Guys, ये picture में like the picture on the website ये बहुत बड़ा लगता है and it actually इतना सा, like I have a big hand but ये उसका आधा है. This is a really छोटू version of that and this retails for 675 rupees. एंड इतने में मैं एक बहुत अच्छा कंसीलर ले लेती, लाइक कोई भी Maybelline एंड कोई भी LA Girl Pro का कंसीलर ही आ जाता. But I want to try cream product. I haven't tried yet. So this is the cream product from LA Girl. And I don't know इसका quantity कितना है, बहुत कम ही होगा. You know ये pans वगैरह fit करे होते हैं इसमें. So this is this. मेरी ही गलती है जो मैंने देखा नहीं कि इसका साइज और कितना है, बट मैंने सिर्फ फोटो देखी और I ordered it and this came a very छोटा. कंप्लेन करते करते वो छोटू भी चाह रहा था. गॉड ये बस बच गया. ओ माय गॉड अब ये भी चला जाता. मैं कंप्लेन नहीं करूँगी. दिस इज दिस गाइस, क्या बताऊँ मैं इसके बारे में, बच गया है. सो नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट इज दिस हिप हॉप स्किन केयर क्लेंजिंग चारकोल नो स्ट्रिप्स. सो लेटली मुझे भी ब्लैक हेड्स होने लग गए हैं and I want to try this one. I'll add the clip in it where I'm using this one and you can see the results, but I know many of you have used this one or using this one, and if someone know any better option than this one, please tell me in comment section below. So the last product of this haul is this. One of my another mistake, I saw this on website. They have I think put a picture से किसको पता चलेगा कि कितने wipes आ रहे हैं. They have mentioned the grams of wipes, not the pieces of wipes, like 10 wipes, 20 wipes, like this. And this retails for 95 rupees or something. I remember I have ordered many of the times from Nykaa like 30 piece for 85 rupees, and these are only 10 wipes for 95 rupees. I know this is my fault. I must have मुझे चेक कर लेना चाहिए था, but I haven't, and this cost me this. I know it's not a big price difference, but जो है सो है. They must have mentioned like कितने pieces होने वाले हैं, quantity क्या होगी. ग्राम से कौन पता लगाएगा कि wipes कितने आने वाले हैं. So this is Color Bar on the Go Makeup Remover Wipes, and these have 10 wipes in it. This is a travel size. So that's it guys. इतने ही products है मेरे पास. There are few which are coming, which will be coming in few days. So if you guys like this video, do give us a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching guys.